What's good? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, but today I got a banger for you guys. I know you guys have been waiting on the highly anticipated new bot, Magneto Ea. I know that you guys have seen X-Men movies, and you guys know the villain Magneto that can just move any object with telekinesis with his hands. That's why I decided to name this bot, because this bot is just like Magneto, a pip magnet, just grabbing pips at will. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the back test, how this thing works. This is going to be the best, most affordable bot online to make passive income. So guys, this is gonna go crazy. I can't wait to show you guys these results, because I've been working on this bot for a long time to give you guys something special, guys. So just a couple details about the Magneto bot before we get started with the back test. I've been coding it for a couple weeks now. I wanted to make something that was profitable and can make passive income for you guys. Of course, that's always the goal, but this is my second grid system bot that I made. I love grid system bots because it really doesn't matter what's going on too much in the market, as long as you're not using it during high impact news. And you guys know we have those news filters on deck over here at ROE. So I wanted to make this bot very easy to use for anybody that's just getting started with Forex bots. So this bot doesn't have too many settings like all my other bots. There's really only 3 settings, which is going to be TP, stop loss, and the multiplier. This bot was made to trade EUR USD. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this bot works. It's going to get crazy, y'all. Magneto, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is the Magneto bot. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the back test real quick. We're using it on EUR USD. A lot of people, when they watch my videos, they go by the bot and then they come back to me and they say, what time frame do I use? I'm using the same time frames that I use on the videos. So pay attention, 5-minute time frame on the Magneto bot. EUR USD, not doing anything different. You guys can see in expert properties, we have the lot size, lot multiplier, take profit, stop loss. And that's pretty much it. That's the only settings that we need here. So for this demo, I'm going to do a $1,000 account. Okay. Also, I'm going to change the lot size to 0.1 real quick. You know, great risk management, right? Just so I can show you guys what's possible. I know most of you guys are probably going to start with a $1,000 account anyways. So boom, let's get into it. So this is April 1st to June 8th. And you guys can see TPs is already smacking. And you guys can see the grid system works, right? When it comes to the Magneto bot, all that matters is that you have a good amount of money in your account and you don't have the bot on during crazy news. But you guys know we have news filters on deck, even though this simulation is without any news filter. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it does get up to 0.18 lot. So you know, you just have to make sure you have enough money and leverage enabled for it to open the 0.18 lot and for the TP to be moved the way it's supposed to be moved. So you guys can see market is in the downtrend, but lot sizes are increased and TP is moved. Okay guys, so this bot is only trading on EUR USD right now, and I made it a beast. Very simple to use. It's only a couple settings. You're not gonna be over here tweaking with too much settings to get these results. So all you gotta do is change the lot size, which is why I love this Magneto bot. So you guys can see right here, this is crazy. Bot is smacking TPs, literally not losing. You guys can see the graph going up, results. Okay guys, and I'm just gonna show this simulation just so you guys can just get used to how this bot works. So, you know, just watch the simulation with me, guys, and see this thing continue to crush the markets. You guys can see it really doesn't matter what's going on in the market, right? It doesn't matter if it's a big uptrend, a big downtrend. The market, I mean, the bot is going to adjust to whatever the market is doing. As you guys can see, the market is obviously going the other direction and lots are being increased, but the TP is also being moved down. You just have to know and trust the bot that eventually the market will come back to our TP, right? On these default settings, the stop loss is 100 pips. It's very rare that's going to hit the 100 pips before it hits the 5 pip TP with the grid system. Also, if you're using, small lot sizes, you're not going to be worried about drawdown, right? There's no reason to be worried about drawdown if you know you have the right set files on, you know that you have the right amount of money in to where you can take these swings.
Yo, Crino, this one heat.
And TP is smacked again. So this is what you can expect from a 0.1 lot size. Okay, we're at $307. And after this simulation, I'm gonna increase the lot size there so you guys can see what type of lots and drawdown you get with bigger lot sizes. TP is being smacked. Most I've seen it open up, I think, is a 0.18 on a 0.1 lot. So I would just make sure, there it goes, 0.18. I would just make sure that you have enough money in your account and enough leverage from your broker for it to open up that big of a lot size on a 0.1. And that's all that really matters when it comes to using the Magneto Ea. Okay, and as that is hit, we are $400 in profit already, and that is going to be the end of the simulation. So when we go back to our strategy tester, see the graph going straight up and the results, right? And we also have the report. So right here is about 20% drawdown the most. Profits, 5 consecutive wins. Most drawdown we've seen was $179. Pretty good, guys. $422 extra for you using the Magneto bot. Now let's go ahead and get to the bigger lot sizes and the bigger account sizes, right? So let's go ahead and do 10K real quick. And let's do why not do a 0.6 or something, right? 0.6. Now, some of you guys may be using this bot on a prop firm. So whatever lot size you use, make sure that it's not going to go past your equity. Maybe you want to start with a 0.2, 0.3, depending on what account size you buy. But if you're using a live account and you're just funding up for 10,000, obviously you don't gotta abide by any rules. So just use any lot size that you're comfortable with. Right here, lot sizes are getting bigger fast. 0.32. So again, you want to make sure you have a good amount of money and leverage from your broker, and you should be fine. All right, TP smacked. TP smacked. Again, we already know how this plays out. It's going to go up. We're going to win most of our trades. We already know it's going to win. So, let's just get through this and see what type of results we get. Graph continuously going up, of course. And on the 0.6 lot size, we're making a lot of money. We've already made more money. We already made that $431 in 8 days. So at the end of the simulation, on the 26 now, getting near it, we've already made $1,400 on a 0.6. All right, so that's about $1,700. See the report, 9% drawdown. Great. Let's go ahead and go even bigger. Why not, right? Shoot. Why not do a 100K account real quick? Show you guys what that would look like for our prop firm people. So our prop firm people, why not do a 0.15. And guys, I know there's a lot of people out there who, you got 100K just to put into your live account. So even the people that got money out there, you got 100K plus, this is the type of passive income you could be doing with your retirement money or whatever. Okay, guys, invest your money the right way. Over here at ROE, we do not handle any of your money. You simply get our software and make the passive income yourself. You are in total control. So again, let's simulate what would happen if you use a 0.15 on a 100K account. We can watch a little bit just to see what type of lot sizes you're gonna see open. We'll see how this bot performs in drawdown. Of course, again, I love the grid system bot because it doesn't matter what's going on in the market, it will adjust. As you guys can see, 0.50 being open, 0.75 being open. The uptrend continues, gonna be another lot. And we get another lot, $1.13. So we get another one, $1.16. So it's just about having enough money for you to be able to open that lot size when you come in that situation. And you guys can see TPs are being hit fast. So we know the results already, so let's just skip through this. We already know it's gonna hit TP all day. Graph is gonna be up, same results, different lot sizes. You guys can see we're already at $2,000 in profit on the 18th day. Okay, guys, so this thing is crazy. Let's continue to the end of this simulation, see where we are at. Okay, so that's $4,000 in profit. Of course, 2% drawdown right here. Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's do risky, right? Why not be risky one time? Let's just do 25. I don't know. 0.25, not bad. 0.25. See what type of money we can make. Let's simulate it. And this is what I do all day. Basically code my bots and backtest them till they're profitable. You guys can see. Let's go ahead and just simulate this so we can get to these results. We already know what's gonna happen. We're gonna win, but how much are we gonna win at this point? Right? Again, Magneto is all about having enough money, enough leverage for you to open up the lot sizes that it will open if it does go and draw down. It's the grid system. We know how this works. As long as you know how your bot works, you're going to win. That's it. Knowing how the bot works is the secret.
Yo, Crino, this one, eat.
And you guys can see profits are going crazy on the 100K account using the 0.25 setting. And you guys can see the big lot size starts to open. Dollar 1.94, almost a $2 lot size it gets to. So you have to have enough money and leverage in order for it to open a $2 lot size if you're going to use that setting. And as you guys can see here, it made $7,000 the first month. How about I show you guys one more example? Let's do 0.50. I haven't done this before, but why not, right? This is for the big money getters. Big money getters only. People with enough money to handle the swings. This is for you. You guys can see it's almost making about $1,000 a day now on this 0.50 lot size. I really don't know what to expect, but it's already made $10,000. All right, on a 100K account. This is only a 100K account, so it's gonna get real spooky using this bot. $14,000 in 1 month. Graph goes straight up. We already know that's what's gonna happen with the Magneto. Just about how much you're gonna risk. 7% drawdown, 5 losses. Okay, so excuse me, 5 wins. So that's it, guys. That's it, Magneto bot. I hope that you guys understand how this bot works. Guys, if you want to tap into this bot, click the link in the description. This is going to be the best, most affordable bot for anybody to get started with using EAs, and the easiest EA to use, because there's simply just no settings to really have to figure out here. It's just very simple. Just change your lot size. Maybe you want to change your stop loss if you want to. Maybe you want to change your TP here and there. But guys, it's very simple to use this bot. So I would recommend this bot or the Neo bot if you're going to start with any bot. But beginners, this is a great choice as well, guys. Okay, guys, so you guys seen the results for yourself. You guys seen me back testing. You seen how it works. You guys see that this grid system strategy that I've been coding here, our ROE, is really unstoppable, and it's great to make passive income. You guys can use this bot on your prop firm accounts, your live accounts, whatever you guys want to use it on. It does not matter. As long as you do it over here at ROE, you got that news filter on, and we're all winning, guys. You can't be stopped. All right, guys, so like I said, if you ain't tapping yet, if you ain't subscribed, yes, I'm talking to you, person who keeps learning about my bots but ain't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe over here at the ROE gang so that you can get your notifications every time I drop a new bot, every time I drop some new results. Make sure you tap in, because we're going crazy all year. Our people are going crazy all year, and things are only gonna go more uppity. So guys, let's get it, let's tap in. Lock into the ROE gang. If you feel like you can make a freaking bag, click the link in the description and get started. Go to www.richallpips.net to copy your bot now. Also, if you're a little skeptical and you want to just hang around for a little bit and see some results, make sure that you tap into the Telegram channel so that you guys can keep up with the results that we post daily from our members on Discord. So that's all I got for you guys over here at ROE. It's your boy Giovanni. It's the Rich All Pips. Until next time, I'm out.